Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you the lesson Kechana Khagaha. Kechana means few. Khagaha. Khagaha means birds. Okay, children. Actually, already we have seen about this lesson, the part 1. Today I am going to teach you the part 2. Okay, children. In this part 2, we are going to see about Mayuraha, peacock, Shukaha, parrot, Hamsaha, swan. Okay, children. First, I will read the paragraph. Listen carefully. Then I will explain you the meaning. Okay, children. See here. Yeshaha Mayuraha asti. Asya rupam ativa ramyam bhavati. Asya pakshaha chitravarnaha santi. Yeshaha madhurani phalani sarpancha bhakshayati. Mayuraha vane udyane cha vasati. Yada meghaha garjanti tada ayam nrityati. Asya nrityam drishtva janaha prasidanti. Mayurasya shabdaha kekaravaha kathyate. Okay, children. Now I will explain the meaning. What is this? This is a peacock, right? What we say peacock in Sanskrit? Mayuraha. Mayuraha means peacock. See here. Yeshaha Mayuraha asti. Yeshaha means this. Asti is. This is a peacock. Yeshaha Mayuraha asti. This is a peacock. Asya rupam ativa ramyam bhavati. Ramyam means what? Beautiful. Okay, children. The peacock looks so beautiful. See here. It looks so beautiful, right? The shape of the peacock looks so beautiful. Asya pakshaha chitravarnaha santi. Asya means peacocks. Pakshaha means feather. See here, these are all called feather. Okay. Asya pakshaha chitravarnaha. What is meant by chitravarnaha? Chitravarnaha means mixed color. Okay, children. Asya pakshaha chitravarnaha santi. Peacock's feather is in mixed color. Then yeshaha madhurani phalani sarpancha bhakshayati. Yeshaha means Yeshaha Mayura. The peacock eats sweet fruits and snakes. You know what is meant by snake? Sarpaha. The peacock eats the snake. So that only they have given Yeshaha. The peacock, Madhurani Phalani, sweet fruits, Sarpancha and snakes. Bhakshayati means to eat. So what we getting? The peacock eats sweet fruits and also the snakes. Then Mayuraha vane udyane cha vasati. Where the peacock lives? The peacock lives vane in the forest, then Udyanecha in big gardens. The peacock lives in gardens and in forest. Then yada meghaha garjanti tada ayam nrityati. Whenever the cloud is making thundering sound before the rain comes, the peacock will dance. Okay, children? The peacock dances before the rain. When the clouds are making sound, thundering sound. Okay, then that's why they have given. See here. Yada meghaha garjanti. Yada means when. Meghaha means the clouds. When the clouds roars, tada ayam nrityati. Ayam means the peacock. Nrityati means to dance. Tada means that time. When the clouds are making sound, thundering sound, the peacock dances that time. Okay, children? Then asya nrityam drishtva janaha prasidanti. By seeing the dance of the peacock, the people feel happy. Okay, children? Then prasidanti means happy, happiness. Okay, children? Then mayurasya shabdaha kekaravaha kathyate. What we say, the sound of the peacock? The sound of the peacock is called as kekaravaha. Okay, children? Kekaravam kurvanti. Then now we are going to see about the second bird, shukaha. What is meant by shukaha? Shukaha means parrot. First I will read the paragraph, then I will explain the meaning. Yeshaha shukaha asti, asya pakshaha haritaha chanchuscha lohita asti, yeshaha madhurani phalani marichamcha khadati, shukaha manushyanam vanim anukaroti, ayam rama rameti madhuram vadati. This paragraph describes about parrot, shukaha. Yeshaha shukaha asti. This is a parrot. Okay, then. Asya pakshaha haritaha. Asya pakshaha haritaha means it has green color wings. Like this. This is called wings, right? See here, wings. The wings are in green color. Okay, then parrot's wings are in green color. Chanchuscha lohita. What do you mean by chanchu? Chanchu means this beak. The beak of the parrot is in red color. Lohita, red color. Then yeshaha madhurani phalani marichamcha khadati. What the parrot eats? The parrot eats the fruits and also the chili. We say milagai in Tamil. What the parrot eats? The parrot eats the fruits and the chilies, green chilies. See here, you can see a chili here. Maricham means chili. Phalani means fruits. Madhurani means sweet, sweet fruits. Then shukaha manushyanam vanim anukaroti. What's meant by anukaroti? It follows the sound of the people and repeat. Whatever we say, the parrot will listen to that and it will say the word. For an example, they have given ayam rama rameti madhuram vadati. If we say Rama, the parrot will repeat the word Rama. Okay, children? That's why they have given ayam. Ayam means what? The parrot. Ayam Rama rameti madhuram vadati. The parrot, whatever we say, the parrot follow the same. If we say Rama, then the parrot will say Rama. Okay, children? Now I will teach you about the swan, Hamsaha. See here, children. The third one. First I will read the paragraph, then I will explain the meaning. Listen carefully, children. Yeshaha hamsaha asti. Ye tasya pakshaha shvetaha bhavanti. Hamsaha akashe utpatati. Ayam matsyan khadati. Hamsaha jale vasati bhumau cha sancharati. Hamsaha kshiram नीरात पृथक कर्तुम समर्थोस्ति ये तस्मात् कारणात् अयम नीरक्षीर विवेकाय प्रसिद्धोस्ति. Okay children, now I will explain the meaning. See here, yeshaha hamsaha asti. What is meant by yeshaha? Yeshaha means this. Hamsaha means swan. Yeshaha hamsaha asti. This is a swan. Yetasya pakshaha shvetaha bhavanti. What is the color of the wings of swan? It has white color wings. See here, it has white color wings. Yetasya pakshaha. Pakshaha means wings. Shvetaha means white in color. Okay children. Then hamsaha akashe utpatati. What's meant by akashe? Akashe means in sky. Utpatati means fly. To fly. Okay children. The swan flies in the sky. Then ayam matsyan khadati. Khadati means to eat. Matsyan means fish. Okay children. Ayam means the same. Yeshaha means this, right? Likewise, ayam means this. The swan eats fish. Okay children. Ayam matsyan khadati. The swan eats fish. Then hamsaha jale vasati. Where the swan lives in the water. Jale vasati. Vasati means to live, lives. Jale means in the water. Saptami vibhakti, in the water. Then bhumaucha sancharati. Sancharati means what? Sancharanam means to walk. It lives in the water and walks on the ground, walks on the earth. Okay children. Then hamsaha kshiram neerat pruthak kartum samarthosti. The swan has a great quality. What is the quality? If you give a cup of milk, added some water, the swan will separate the water and the milk. Neera kshira vivekaha. Neera means water, kshira means milk. Vivekaha means it knows about that. Then what the swan will do? The swan will separate the water and the milk. See here children. Hamsaha, the swan, kshiram neerat pruthak kartum samarthaha. What is meant by samarthaha? Samarthaha means talented. It has the talent to separate water from the milk. Then what the swan will do? The swan will drink the milk alone and leave the water alone. Okay children. Then yetasmat karanat. Because of this reason, ayam means what? The swan. The swan is called Neerakshira Vivekaya Prasiddhaha. We can understand about a swan because of this great quality. Okay children. Thank you so much. Meet you all in another session.